Time to make that filling for the pot pie bombs. We got some frozen veggies, about a cup's worth. It was about 2 cups worth of shredded chicken. Going with the little green onions. And we got the good stuff here, a little cream of chicken. Get that in there. Yum. We got a little triple cheddar cheese here. Now I know pot pies don't usually have cheddar cheese, but we're gonna do it. I like cheese in there. Go about a cup worth of the shredded cheddar. Maybe a little bit more. Cup and a half, what the hell. We're gonna use a little chicken seasoning here. Listen guys, if you're not seasoning your food with like barbecue rubs with all the good flavors in there, you don't know what you're missing out on. We're gonna go in with about a tablespoon or so, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. Go with your gut. Just adds that extra flavor, a little extra kick. Trust me when I say use these all-purpose barbecue seasonings in your cooking, and you won't regret it. All right, let's give this a good mix. Get everything nice and combined. These little pot pie bombs are gonna be nothing short of amazing. Trust me when I say you're gonna love this. Everything's incorporated. Let's get those bombs built, baby. All right, let's get these open. We're making some pot pie bombs. Ah, it exploded just like the bomb's gonna do. We're building 6 of these things since my muffin tin has 6, spots. We're gonna just smush these out, push them out a little bit, open them up. We wanna make sure that there's plenty of room to put our filling in. All right, let's get a healthy spoonful of that filling. All right, let's kind of bring this in together. You're gonna make a little bit of a mess. If you're not making a mess in the kitchen, you're not trying, baby. All right, so we're just gonna get it all closed up, pinch it, make it as sealed as possible. All right. So there's the top of our biscuit bomb. And we'll just take it and put it right in those, right in that little muffin tin, just like that. Bombs are done. We're gonna brush these down with a little butter. We got a little garlic and herb rub that we mixed in with the butter. We'll brush that over the top. Give it that nice flavor, glossy golden brown shine. You know that looks money in the bank, baby. And we don't want these bombs to explode in the oven, so we're gonna give it the tiniest little pin prick. Keep your comments to yourself in the chat. We need to give it a little spot to let some steam escape in there as it bakes, okay? Just use a little knife, use a little chopstick, whatever, just poke a little hole in them. Bombs are ready to go in the oven. Guys, these look amazing already. I can't wait to see them when they're nice and golden brown and lovely, right? I know you can't wait either. So let's get them in the oven, 350, 15, 20 minutes. Just wanna make sure that biscuit's all the way done, right? I'll see you in a sec. All right, we're out of the oven. There was a couple blowouts. We cleaned it up. It's a tight pan for those big balls. Bombs are out of the oven. True to their name, they exploded. I think I had 2 bigger balls. Insert joke there. And I put them in too little of a muffin tin. So be cognizant of that. But these are gonna turn out fine. They're hot. They're gonna be tasty, but we're gonna let them cool. All right, so come back and we'll get into these bombs, baby. Get one of these bombs out. You can tell they took the shape of that muffin tin. All right, there you go. Beautiful, tasty bite right there. Woo, let's get a bite, y'all. True to their name, the bombs exploded, but that's okay. These things look like they're money in the bank. Let's get a bite. Oh, hell yeah. That right there is a perfect pot pie. Little grab and go pot pie. What do you say? I say you know it's good, baby.